Let's have a look. You bought refund spot. Do you think it is has a good chance for a bounce? I'm not sure where you bought it. Like this, I mean, when you break down like this, if this is not successful, right? If this reclaim to get back up to the highs is not successful, this could, if the market was going to be bearish, this could do something like that. And imagine that is, all right, let me just fix this. Imagine that was a red candle. It could roll over, is what I'm saying. The other thing to look at, there is a large, oh, that's a topping volume. Okay, so we topped on that. Sorry, I looked at the wrong volume there. Um, like if it's a failed reclaim, this bounce back up into resistance and then roll over again. That's the concern with this here right now. It's bouncing into resistance, right? There's a whole wall of orders that have been up here, and if we can't claim above that again, you need to be very careful. This 2-week candle is not the best candle to just try and get massive amounts of strength back up and work to new highs or anything. This is a bearish candle in a way. So if it's going to do that, it may need quite a bit of chop or a base before making its way back up. So what I'm trying to get at is it's a tough coin to be choosing to get that bounce. Now, what I would do is if you're willing to buy this or hold this, I would keep my stop probably below the 3-day candle, because in theory, what you want, if this is going to be successful, what you want is you want this to be the low, and you want this to close the 3-day up here somewhere. And then after it closes the 3-day on a new 3-day, you want this to pop up and build upon the success of the bounce, something like this, right? So you don't want this to be taken out. You don't want price to come back down and look for more liquidity in these lows. That's the danger here. That's what you kind of don't want. So it's a fairly tight stop at this point, to see if this will hold and move up. At this point, as you can see, it's not looking very good. I mean, I'm just saying it's up 0.27% today in a market that is bouncing. So this is showing relative weakness and not very strong at all. So I suggest it's better to be careful.